Published 0922 Est, the 17th of January 2018. Updated 1149 Est, the 17th of January 2018. A gigantic asteroid which is larger than the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, will hurtle past our planet in around 2 weeks' time. The 2002 AJ-129 asteroid has been classed as potentially hazardous by NASA and will fly past at speeds of 67,000 miles per hour, 107,826 kilometers per hour. This makes it nearly 15 times faster than the world's quickest manned aircraft, the hypersonic North American X-15, which traveled at 4,520 miles per hour, 7,300 kilometers per hour. Scroll down for video. The 2002 AJ-129 asteroid has been classed as potentially hazardous by NASA and will fly past Earth on the 4th of February at speeds of 67,000 miles per hour, 107,826 kilometers per hour. Stock image. Earth asteroid is around 0.7 miles, 1.1 kilometers wide, making it longer than the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, which stands at 0.5 miles high, 0.8 kilometers. It is set to pass by our planet on the 4th of February at a distance of around 2,615,128 miles, 4,208,641 kilometers away, which is relatively close in space terms. For reference, the distance between the Earth and the Moon is 238,855 miles, 384,400 kilometers. NASA describes asteroids as hazardous if they come within 4,600,000 miles, 7,403.00 kilometer of our planet. It is the largest space rock to brush past our planet this year, and previous research has found a rock of this size could plunge Earth into a mini ice age if it hit. The impact would cause average temperatures around the world to fall by as much as 8 degrees Celsius, according to a 2016 study on the effects of a collision with a 0.6-mile-wide 1-kilometer asteroid. Scientists warned the very severe global impact would last several years, causing the world to become a much darker, colder and drier place. These would not be pleasant times, Charles Bardeen, of the National Center for Atmospheric Research, said during a presentation at the American Geophysical Union (AGU) at the time. The asteroid is around 0.7 miles, 1.1 kilometers wide, making it longer than the Burj Khalifa in Dubai pictured, which stands at 0.5 miles high, 0.8 km. In the worst-case scenario, soot would remain in the atmosphere for around 10 years, while dust takes 6 years to settle back on Earth. Fortunately, NASA does not think this asteroid will collide with Earth. Anything that flies closer than 6 million miles of our planet is a near-Earth asteroid and could cause severe damage were it ever to crash into Earth. Deflecting an asteroid that is on an impact course with Earth requires changing the velocity of the object by less than an inch per second, years in advance of the predicted impact. NASA is currently moving forward with a refrigerator-sized spacecraft capable of preventing asteroids from colliding with Earth. A test with a small, non-threatening asteroid is planned for 2024. This is the first-ever mission to demonstrate an asteroid deflection technique for planetary defense. Double asteroid redirection test. DART would use what is known as a kinetic impactor technique, striking the asteroid to shift its orbit. Currently, NASA would not be able to deflect an asteroid if it were heading for Earth, but it could mitigate the impact and take measures that would protect lives and property. This would include evacuating the impact area and moving key infrastructure. Finding out about the orbit trajectory, size, shape, mass, composition and rotational dynamics would help experts determine the severity of a potential impact. However, the key to mitigating damage is to find any potential threat as early as possible. As of December 24, there are 17,495 known near-Earth objects (NEOs) around our planet. 17,389 are asteroids, a NASA spokesperson told the Express last month. This year, we discovered 1,985 new near-Earth asteroids. There were 1,888 such objects discovered in 2016 and 1,571 in 2015. NASA is currently moving forward with a refrigerator-sized spacecraft capable of preventing asteroids from colliding with Earth. A test with a small, non-threatening asteroid is planned for 2024. This is the first-ever mission to demonstrate an asteroid deflection technique for planetary defense. The double asteroid redirection test. DART would use what is known as a kinetic impactor technique, striking the asteroid to shift its orbit. The impact would change the speed of a threatening asteroid by a small fraction of its total velocity, but by doing so well before the predicted impact, this small nudge will add up over time to a big shift of the asteroid's path away from Earth. In February 2013, a 19 meters (62 feet) meteor exploded in the skies above Chelyabinsk in Russia. The energy, which was equivalent to 500,000 tons of TNT and injured more than 1,000 people.